Pros. The build quality, looks of the device is a big pro. I love the way it looks. It's very nice. Big pro there. Clipping right in is going to have to be a pro. You get 2 pods, 2 different pods are going to be a pro. 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off, pro. 900 milliamp hour battery. It's okay. It does the job. Do we give it a pro or a con? We'll keep it right in the middle. Would have been nice if it was a little bit more milliamp hour. But anyway, power modes is a big pro. I like that there's 3 different power modes on here. It's going to have to be a pro. Another pro is going to have to be when I do press the fire button. I can see my battery indication to see how much battery life I have in here. It's going to have to be a pro. All in all, you know what? Not bad. Really digging them. I like the looks. I like the feel of these.